Salut, c'est Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb partir in the present tense. And also, I'll teach you some very common expressions using this verb. Partir is one of the most frequently used French verbs, and it means to leave. It's an irregular verb, that is, it doesn't follow the common patterns of conjugation. Therefore, the conjugation is going to be a little tricky, but not so hard to memorize. After the conjugation of partir, I'll share with you some common expressions using this verb. Okay then, without delay, let's start. The conjugation of partir in the present tense. Je pars, I leave or I'm leaving. Tu pars, you leave or you are leaving. Il part, he leaves or he is leaving. Elle part, she leaves. On part, one leaves or we leave. Nous partons, we leave or we are leaving. Vous partez, you leave or you are leaving. Ils partent, elles partent, they are leaving or they leave. You can see that this is not a common pattern of French verb conjugation, so you have to learn it by heart. One more time, and this time try to repeat after me. Je pars, repeat. Tu pars. Il part. Elle part. On part. Nous partons. Vous partez. Ils partent. Elles partent. Here, these three pronunciations are same. Je pars, tu pars, il, elle, on part. And the last letters S, S and T are silent. Nous partons, where S is silent. Nous partons, not partons. And il, elle partent, where ENT is silent. Il, elle partent, not partons or partont. I heard most of the beginners, also sometimes the advanced level students, make these mistakes. They pronounce the ENT, but it's wrong because it's always silent. Okay? Il part, elle part. Now the very useful and common expressions using this verb. First one is à partir de. À partir de, which means from a time, from a date, or from a place. À partir de, like from today or from 9 July, 10 July, or from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, etc. For better understanding, let's see some examples. J'irai à l'école à partir de demain. J'irai à l'école à partir de demain. I'll go to school from tomorrow. Here you can see that we have used à partir de as from and demain, which means tomorrow, where tomorrow is indicating a time. À partir de demain. J'étudie à partir de 7 ans. J'étudie à partir de 7 ans. I'm studying from 7 a.m. J'étudie means I'm studying. À partir de, from, and 7 ans, that is 7 a.m., which is indicating a time from 7 a.m. à partir de 7 ans. This expression is quite useful. Why don't you make a sentence using these expressions and comment it below? Next expression is c'est parti. C'est parti. Very useful and very common expression. French people use this one more often. C'est parti, which means here we go or here goes or we are off or also sometimes let's go. Let's see some examples. Tout le monde est là? Tout le monde est là? Everyone's here? Allez, c'est parti. Okay, we are off or okay, let's go. Tout le monde est là? Allez, c'est parti. Now, let's see some examples using this verb conjugation in the present tense. Elle part du Canada demain. Elle part du Canada demain. She is leaving from Canada tomorrow. Je pars avec mes amis. Je pars avec mes amis. I'm leaving with my friends. Ils partent aujourd'hui. Ils partent aujourd'hui. They are leaving today. They are leaving today. Aujourd'hui means today. Okay, let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. Partir, which means to leave. And the conjugation in the present tense? Je pars. Tu pars. Il, elle, on part. Nous partons. Vous partez. Ils partent. Elles partent. And the expressions that we have learned are à partir de, à partir de, from. C'est parti, c'est parti. Here we go, here goes, or we are off, or let's go. This was my lesson number 24. If you didn't subscribe yet, please consider subscribing my channel and click on the bell icon for all the updates. I hope you have learned something new today. Thanks for watching. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up. And if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.